Abba back from the dead. SpongeBob farted!
It's 3:42 a.m. Eyes bloodshot, yawning in my Honda in the Costco parking lot. Waiting on the.
Hi guys, today is Wednesday, January 18th, and it's almost 9 o'clock Mountain Time, so you guys know what time it is. Okay, I'm back in Flagstaff. Here's my room. The past 2 days I've had school. There was no school on Monday because of MLK Day. I don't really know what to say. I'm back. My roommate's not here. I do not know what she's doing, but she's probably working. Classes are going good. And I have one tiny little baby concerned. Well, I'm hungry. That's one concern. But I got an email about 2 hours ago saying that school might be canceled from the major snowstorms that are going to be happening over the next week. And to stay connected with email and text messaging, I just want you guys to see the weather for the next couple days because it's crazy. This was the temperature for today, high of 39. And basically Thursday through Sunday is supposed to snow with like a high of 100%. Here, wait, let me click on this really quick if I can. So you guys can see this, like 100% snow, 100% snow, 100% snow, 100%, 100%. Like, what? What the heck? This is the next, like, 5 days. And supposedly, school might be canceled during these days because there are going to be major snowstorms. From what I've been told. 532, 19 degrees. This is a freezing point. Just so you guys know, if anyone British is watching, it's 0 degrees Celsius. Just so y'all know. There you go. That's the crazy weather that's gonna happen. I just wanted this to be a quick update video. I don't really know if I'll put this on my update playlist, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm back. And one quick thing, I started reading this book finally. I am in the middle of Act 1, Scene 2. I forget where I am. I think I don't want to say anything in case no one has read it yet. My ankle's actually in a lot of pain right now. I don't really want to show you guys because it's really disgusting, but I'll like beat it up because on Monday when I came home, when I got dropped off at the bus station in Flagstaff, my phone was really low on battery and my phone died when I was downloading the Uber app, so I couldn't call an Uber or call my friend to pick me up, so I had to walk 30 minutes to campus. And I didn't wear socks with my new boots. Go watch my Christmas haul. And my ankle got all messed up, and it's gonna be scarred and disgusting forever. Well, I've always had like beat up ankles, but this time was so bad. Yeah, okay, my arm's getting tired. Hold on. I'm not used to filming anymore. Because last time I filmed was Sunday when I went sledding. Posters. I need to do like an actual room tour. I never did that. And like probably the last day of school I'll do like end of year room tour. Give this video a like if you want me to do that. Cause I need more videos to film. And I was gonna do a Zoom haul and a Pop Funko haul or Funko Pop. However you guys want to say it. I was gonna film those, but I only have 2 pops here and 7 Zoom Zooms. I have a ton more at home in Vegas, but with the amount that I have, I can't really film those hauls until I go home for the summer in May. I don't know the next time you guys will see me, hopefully soon, and bye-bye. This is it. I gotta go to bed now because I'm tired. So, bye guys, see you later.